Good morning, everybody. Sorry about the delay here. Let me go ahead and share this really quickly. All right, good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm really confused. Why is my keyboard not working? All right, let's see, go live here. What's up, everybody? Good morning, good morning. Already this morning is looking like it's going to shape up to be a relatively exciting day. One second, gonna hop here on Discord. All right. Alrighty, good morning, everybody. Good morning, Grimy, Swappy, Sushi, Zone, what's up, Top Shelf, BT, everybody on there. Run to the bank. Run to the bank, I haven't forgot about you, brother. We've been really busy trying to, morning, man. We've been really busy trying to get these upgrades into the chat here, so I've been doing a little background work here. Crypto just took a dip. Yes, I'll go over that news in just a second, Bradley. Good morning, good morning. Real quick here, let's see. We're going to go ahead and we're going to get to our news really quick here on YouTube. Good morning, everybody who's just hopping on. All right. All right, there we go. Yeah, I'll take a look at it if you want to hop in here. All right, let's get to it. Let's go on that one. Let's go. Thank you, Opticy. Appreciate you this morning, man. Big shout out to Opticy, one of our members, helping us out on the background with Twitter and everything, doing an amazing job. He's also a good trader too. Started in Wall Street Bets. Yo, why is my keyboard not responding? All right, how about these apples? I'm gonna unplug you. How about that? Is that the right plug? That may fit my headphones. Sorry, guys. Always some type of technical difficulty. Like in the morning. There we go. All right, can you guys still hear me okay? Let me go check OBS. Yeah, it looks like we're doing okay sound-wise. All right, we got 10 minutes till 9 o'clock. Let's go ahead and let's go over our news. Let's see here. Make sure everybody knows I'm on. Does anybody know how to, when you hold the shift key down too long? I think I may have done that. like shift, because like now it just makes this weird clicking sound. I don't know how to turn that off. And then my backspace isn't working. Oh, this is really annoying. Okay, well, if you guys have any advice for my keyboard, let me know. Because seemingly. It's not moving. Okay, anyway, I'm going to skip my technical difficulties and we're going to go over the news. So, right off the bat, we have, as far as futures are concerned, right now futures have rose ahead of the data, which will most likely show fewer Americans have filed for unemployment benefits last week, while investors also look to a busy day of quarterly earning reports. European stocks hit record highs, helped by strong earnings from Novo Nordisk and Siemens from while Chinese shares were down, weighing by investors, dumping companies that face criticism in state media and could also portend more government crackdowns. Guys, Chinese FUD is not over. I'm thinking that even the warnings that the SEC put out, that we may see Chinese stocks fall even further. So those of you who play EVs, maybe be careful because you're going to have more volatility with those. Gold prices were back a foot up as an uptick in the dollar raised early tapering bets and dented demand for a safe haven metal. Oil prices fell as more countries imposed fresh movement restrictions to counter the surge of COVID-19 cases through the Middle East tensions. So far this morning, we've had a couple of different earnings reports, but notably one last night, Mercado Libre, the South American e-commerce giant on Wednesday beat analyst estimates for quarterly revenue as the region adapts to shopping largely online amid the pandemic. Net revenue for the second quarter ended June 30th and jumped 93.9% to 1.70 billion, while expectations of 1.48 billion revenue grew in Brazil, Mexico, and more than doubled while in Argentina, where the company is based out of. Guys, this is good for any e-commerce company. So maybe watch SC, Jamia, Ozone. There's one that I'm missing. It'll come to me in a second. But those are good companies that may see sympathy. Uber, we already talked about those earnings last night. I'm curious to see if we're going to see any movement today. IPO for Weber, the company has raised about $250 million in its initial public offering, which was less than half the amount it planned to raise earlier. Tesla, the company's chair, Roland Denholm, sold more than 22 million worth of shares in the electric car maker after exercising stock options, according to a filing by the U.S. Securities Exchange and Commission. So just so you know. All right. Yelp, the review website, added a new feature through businesses can ask for proof of vaccination when customers visit it, a measure that is taken down as the Delta variant of the coronavirus rapidly spreads in the United States. Users will be able to filter businesses. Basically, you can't come unless you have a vaccine. Economic events today, we already have the international trade, good trade balance, initial job claims, 4-week average, and continued job claims. We'll go over that in just a moment here. That's about it. I was trying to see if there's any corporate events that are worth bringing my attention to. Nothing here. Shift 5 times to turn off sticky keys. Destro, who are you? Think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Grazie. Thank you. You saved me from keyboard prison, I think. Wait, it's still making that sound. Did I hold it? Oh, I did it. You're the man. Okay, cool, it worked. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna send you a t-shirt. Alright, it did, yeah, it did. Thank you. I do appreciate you. Okay, so we pretty much got an idea, and I'm going to pull this up just so you guys can see. Let's refresh this page. Let me make sure that you guys can see it, because I was streaming the wrong page yesterday. Eric, we'll take a look at that in just a moment, for sure. AMD this morning. Of course, you guys are probably curious about AMD. I am too. We'll take a look at the chart. We'll take a look at the correlating stocks or sympathy stocks, and as well as the major ETF. So that's what we're going to go over here, guys. Brief overview of our ETFs, what we could potentially expect going into today. And since IWM is up first, we're going to go ahead and start with that one. So pre-market, guys, already back up. So let's go to the 4-hour here. Now, I speculated last night, okay, that even though on the daily we have this kind of gnarly looking pullback here, that there's still, it's definitely within the realm of possibilities that IWM pops. Now, I drew this support line, right, on my screen. I drew that based off of this wick and this support here. As you can see, there's definitely some respect to be had. So my opinion, IWM to 2025. Keep it simple, watch that pop, and then from there you may see those small cap stocks start to run, because there is an extended amount of room, maybe to all the way to 226, where IWM could run if it decides it wants to hold support this morning. So come on in. You're on camera. What is it happening?
ASAP.
Okay.
As soon as you can.
That may.
Just so we don't miss the trash guys.
Yes.
It's just a little too heavy for me, so you're good right now.
Sushi, yeah, I'm not done. I wanted to go over this trade. What's up? Oh, sorry. Hold on one second. Oh, I will. August 5th. Okay. Low. Okay. All right. Yeah, you're right. Sorry, I didn't go over. Anyway, IWM here. Sorry about that, guys. This support right here on the daily, that's what we're appearing to hold relatively well. Go down here to the 4-hour. You can see that even the wick off of this support, showing that this is in fact our support line. So again, 220 here. QQQ. The Qs, same thing with IWM. We're hoping to see a pop and a break over 336.83 for potentially a reprieve run into and around all-time highs, which could be 370. So watch for a pop to 370 today. I would set my mark maybe around 371.88 at the most, where price action may continue to consolidate at that point. That would also be a previous support line as well. So, okay, so we got the Qs kind of in this, and again, if the Qs make it back down to 364.71, we could see a trip back down to 362, and at that point, we would definitely need to see a bounce. Okay, so Qs, we got SPY. It's 9 o'clock. Okay, so with SPY, we talked about this last night, guys. This range, we're chopping heavily. We're going to want to see SPY. It's quite simple, guys. 441.25 with good volume. If you're a high momentum, guys, this is something that I'm trying to teach people is one of the more important lessons. I show up to the trading desk every day because I don't just trade every day, right? I also help people and I teach people. Those of you who don't do that, or you have the liberty to trade when you want, find out what it is that you get the what days do you get the most out of the market? When do you make your most money, and when does it work for you in a way? And what are those prerequisites? And have alerts, customize alerts so that way you get those. And when you go in the morning, if you see that there's a lot of volatility, you watch that open. If the open doesn't show you what you want, you set alerts and you walk away. Because a lot of the most profitable traders, guys, are the ones who have the discipline to not trade when stocks are chopping in range. Not to say that scalpers can't make money, we just need some volatility, but it is something to keep in mind. Okay, so SPY in range 441.25, and then below 432.69. Yeah, make sure to set those alerts. Okay, and again, if this one falls, I would say below 437.50. This is probably going to see somewhere in the 434 range. Could end up even seeing 432 if we pull back from this mark and head back to support. Which the support for SPY is consistently the 50-day EMA. So the 50-day EMA is where we get that respect. So. For yes, whoever just DM'd me, I saw that message. I missed it. Yes, we will have flow. We have AIs coming in, large option sweeps, huge golden sweeps. We have a bot that will basically analyze the predicted movements over the next couple of weeks based on the flow. And then we have upgrades and downgrades, dark pool, insider buying as it comes in. So we have a lot of stuff coming in. I will be off after power hour unless the volume is insane and there's lots of movement here. I may have to hop off and get back to work on that because I want to get that up for you guys immediately. I'm really excited about your guys, especially those of you who can trade, on your own. You guys are doing well with that. These are the kind of tools where you guys don't have to pay for flow algo or anything like that, or go search anywhere else. Hopefully, a one-stop shop there. So it's pretty important for me to get that done today. So okay. I just almost used my finger. Oh, did he? Okay, so he did DM me back. I will do that very soon. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate you. Okay, so we got SPY, we got the Qs, the Dow. Guys, I believe that with looking at the Dow here, you have a little tiny gap. Watch the Dow to push below 347. If it cruises below that mark, you have the small gap there. So watch industrials to potentially go and pull back today before receiving a bounce. So I'm watching those as well, but looking rather weak. In fact, this looks like SPY, except for it's breaking its support. So hopefully SPY doesn't pull that same number, but definitely could. So we'll watch that one. In this morning, your boy, Mr. Biden, decided to tweet that basically big changes. He hasn't really gone in depth, but more than likely, he was like, "You think I'm joking about the EV thing?" And so more than likely he's not, and he's about to give us some news. So EVs in general are on watch. 1 second. Sorry, I just had to turn on my news here. I don't know what GCACU is, but they will resume trade at 9:15 from being halted. So, ooh, lemonade dumped, dude. LMND. Looks like Andrew Left was right, guys. We're gonna watch Lemonade short today. So Lemonade short. This one could provide a good play to the downside. Lemonade announces second quarter results. Let's see here. EPS 90 cent misses the 89 cent estimate. Sales to 28.20 million beat the $26 million estimate. Their quarterly losses again 90 cents per share, which missed the analyst consensus of 89 cents per share. This is a 49.15 increase over losses of $1.70 per share. So this one not crushing it. EBITDA loss of 55 million. To 54 million for Q3. FY21 adjusted EBD loss is 173 million. So that's rough. And they are falling here in pre-market. So I may watch Lemonade, guys, short, potentially down to that $76 level. So if you guys want, oh, I thought it said pooping. I was like, sushi, what? Yeah, so lemonade shorts looking good this morning. We're gonna go ahead and y'all ever get that cut inside of your nose, like right up there, and anytime you touch your nose, you explode, and it feels like you're dying. I have one of those. I don't know why. Okay, don't make me feel like I'm alone in this. You get a little you get like a cut in your nose, like inside of the nose. Like I don't know if it's like, never mind. It's not a cut. Like I didn't cut. All right, I'm done. Never mind. It's like from dry weather or something. I don't know what the deal is. Am I on the right screen? Yeah, I am. Okay. You can't see my chart. Why can't you see my screen, Juan? Is it too tiny? Yeah, lemonade is hot on watch, guys. I like this one below 70. Actually, I might take it below 80. We'll see how it goes. It only dropped from, let's see, 90. I mean, it's a $10 drop, so it definitely could pop, but we'll watch that one. NVIDIA moving, and yeah, so that was one more that we need to take a look at, SMH. So SMH, those of you who are talking about AMD, let's full screen this sucker real quick before I move on. Okay, so AMD, this is the Van Echter Semiconductor ETF right here, and as you can see, we are on support. Pre-market highs is 271.78, so you're going to want to see a nice strong pop in order to see consolidation. I think that the real stopping point is going to be 269.80, somewhere in that range, maybe even 269.25. If you break there, you got those obvious levels below you. Of course, this will pull the semiconductor industry down with it. I wouldn't suspect anything radical as far as a pullback, but you could see some nice profit taking occur as we have ripped. So if you look at AMD, I talked about this very setup yesterday, last night. If you guys want to go watch that, it's a little late, but so far this thing is following the price action that I anticipated. Nice clean taper down to support, right along with our ETF. So AMD 116.15, a break below that 116 mark, and I would anticipate that we will finally see some downtrend from AMD. Now, my other thought is that we bounce, right? We bounce at 116, 116.25, and then we see a retest of the 120.85, and then yet again another rejection as we consolidate after a solid run. Yep. Okay, we got NVIDIA absolutely sending it here in pre-market, guys. The target was 206. NVIDIA pretty much on the same old shit. Yeah, I'll check that out. PLTR is actually worth looking at. And there's so many setups right now, guys. It is really, those of you who have this thought, there's so much to pick. And if you're curious on how people do it, it's literally comes down to what stocks do you like and what, are you invested in them? What's your tie to, like, there's no reason on earth that I should trade, or I would have naturally traded JMIA. Like that just wouldn't have happened. But like I like the company, I liked the projections that come with the company, and therefore I trade it. And I tell people a lot in my one-on-ones, if you're new, pick 4 stocks, right, that you like that are move. They don't chop. They're not penny stocks, something that you can chart, trade, and look at potentially into the long term, which takes its own DD in itself. Focus on those 4, learn how to trade them up, down, sideways, all around. You can use those 4 as studies and really as a training ground, and then you become really, really good at those stocks. You figure out how they move, what they like to do, where their supply zones are, and then from there things become a little bit easier. So Snee, I did. Yeah, I don't know if you remember that, but yes, I did. Yes. I would imagine so. Okay. Hold on one second. Oh shit, cap locks. Come on, fingers. Okay. All right. Let's see here. Chewy looks interesting. You know, it's definitely within the realm of possibilities that we see a pop on PLTR. It's about time that it made a move in either direction. And with IWM looking the way that it does on support, similarly, we could actually see a really nice rounded bottom come out of PLTR. So above 22.88.85, and then maybe even up to this previous bounce, 23.35. Yeah, PLTR could literally pop. So it's just a matter of setting alerts. You are nearing earnings, which I imagine they'll do relatively well. So hold on one second. One second, guys. Also, I don't know if anybody accidentally swung snow. But, not snow, excuse me. Let's see. Yeah, Snap, sorry. Not, so Snapchat, those of you who swung Snap with me, we're still okay as far as the setup is concerned. We're bouncing off that $76 level. So I'd just like to see pre-market highs of 77 get pushed. So yeah, everything's on YouTube. That's why I have this in the background. This is my YouTube channel. So what's up, Justin? What are you watching, my guy? I'm watching my small account challenge. I think I'm gonna take I don't know what you're taking, but I'm watching Lemonade down. I'm gonna likely take Lemonade to the downside. So I'm watching there's a lot of stocks, guys. I'm watching that I was watching yesterday. Nothing's changed. Roblox retest of $79. And then obviously pre-market highs. It's at its 200-day EMA. If it does retest 79 and break that, then the play's over. I'm done with it. Snowflake did end the day at support yesterday, so watch this one above 275 for a test of 279. Again, if you guys are trading today or you have a stock you're watching, make sure that you have some sort of plan. Whatever contract that you're looking to take, where are you going to take profit? What are you looking for as far as volume, etc., etc. So, oh no! Oh, sorry guys. I'm dead. Oh no. Can I cancel it? No, can I cancel it? I canceled it. Oh my god, I almost just shut down my computer, guys. Oh my god, that would have been the worst. I just went to go plug in my thing, my USB, and I literally just push down on the power button. That was like trying to plug in your phone behind the wall at night. Can I get whew, I just gave myself a heart attack. Yeah, for sure. Check me out. We'll be on. All right. So lock. All right. Hold on one second. I need to. All right. So watching Lemonade to the downside. That's going to be one of my main plays. If it doesn't break lower, if it chops around, I'm out of it. But I'm looking for that continued lack of momentum, I suppose. There we go. Perfect. Sorry, I had to change my mouse speed. You guys can probably tell. How's the day? Boy, how was the boy? He loved it. He had a great day at school yesterday. Thank you for asking. Yeah, a little nervous. He didn't have school last year. Got pulled out of school his kindergarten year. So he is in an unusual time to be a kid. So, but he's doing well. All right. Hey, look at Builder again. We might see that gap up. Destro, your mic for YouTube is super quiet. What? Is my mic on YouTube really quiet? It shouldn't be. Thinkorswim doesn't have links like that, so like I don't get anything for referring you to TOS. I don't even think that's a possibility. So yeah, if you want to check here. All right, so let's go over Lemonade really quickly. We've got 10 minutes to the bell. Ooh, Fastly just got a downgrade to $33. All right. So anyway, Lemonade. Look at that bounce already in pre-market. We'll watch this one to retest 84, potentially 84.30. But we'll be watching this one. I don't really suspect that it will see a real pop. So, MU, that one actually was on watch yesterday. Not for me, but a couple people in the chat. That one did break out of a long wedge yesterday, or for last week. That one still has a. Oh, I see the other downtrend that you see. Yeah, so I mean, definitely could see a retest and then breakout from there. So. Hey, what the fuck? Oh, I got shut down on Discord, dude. What the fuck? I'm sorry, guys. All right, I'm back. Sorry about that. Yo, when I hit my keyboard, it almost shut down my computer, so that's why that happened. I apologize, guys. All right, so Justin's watching Netflix above 520, watching the 520 and 522.50 calls 86, Facebook 360. Yeah, yo, I'll take Facebook with you if you jump in that. So. Tesla, for sure. Another potential inside day here. Are you kidding me? My mouse just disappeared. I'm having the worst technical difficulties this morning. Hold on. Yeah, don't play games with me, mouse. Oh my god. I promise you guys it's not normally this chaotic. Maybe it is. I don't know. Fuck me. There we go. Alright, hopefully you guys are okay on YouTube. Dropped you. Hold on a second, guys. Alright. Very chaotic. That was very annoying. Okay, sorry about that, my friends. There, I just wanted my mouse back. Alright. Good to go. Alright, so we have... I'm sweating here. This thing has got me so stressed out. My chart and everything, or my computer, everything falling this morning. Got a poltergeist on me. Come on, where is my mouse? Thank you. Okay, anyway, I apologize. My mouse just disappeared off of my screen, so I literally couldn't see it. So here this morning on Tesla, it appears that you've broken out of that pennant to the upside. I'd like to see a wick fill past 220 or 725. 725 wick fill, volume evaluation. If it looks good there, watch it for a pop. Otherwise, these are bilateral, and it's right, the 107 or 105 mark is where I would likely take Tesla short to probably the 696 level. So, all right. Well, now that I just got done fist fighting my computer. I'm trying to sign up on Webull through my link. In my jacket. This one. I'll send you my Webull link here. I know, yeah, I know, right? There's a lot of shit that happens behind, getting ready for YouTube in the morning, so it's crazy. Thank you for subbing, I appreciate you. All right, so make sure you guys have your watch lists ready to go. Lemonade here popping in pre-market. We're going to watch this one, let it come to us. Those of you in Snapchat, my stop loss for this one is going to be below 75.50. Otherwise, we'll keep it rocking. Let's see here. We got our eyes peeled on AMD. Set alerts, 116. All right, guys. Yeah. Alrighty, let's get ready. We got 4 minutes to the bell. 3 minutes to the bell. Again, guys, I'll be on till about 10 o'clock. And I gotta get some work done for the chat, guys. I've got a lot to catch up on, so. What do I think about Ford? board. I think it hit. I think it can't afford to go up anymore. Nothing on the bots yet. The bots aren't done yet.
Yeah, B7, you could watch Facebook or Netflix. They're both pretty cheap. Netflix, good.
The global power semiconductor market size was estimated at a USD 34.71 billion in 2021 and is expected to reach 36.43 billion in 2021 at a compound annual growth rate of 5.31%. And by 2026 could reach $47.36 billion. So.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, guys. Peace. Hop on the YouTube if you guys want. Right here.
Facebook is things are getting wiki.
Wiki, wiki, wiki. Oh my god. Alright, you guys got those Facebook calls, cool stuff. I don't really like. I'm gonna send an alert on Tesla. Tesla could rip though.
Good morning.
Morning. What's up, brother? Ellie! Hi, we got 1 minute to the bell, so quick kiss. Mwah. Alright, I'll be right back, okay?
Let's go get some.
Oh, I got a snack.
Yeah.
Take the snack.
Take
How about your donut?
I
You're
know, trust
welcome.
me.
Mwah. Mwah. Bye, Ellie.
Justin,
See you
Nate's
later.
asking if you're gonna wait or you're gonna answer at the bell.
On what?
I have no idea.
Netflix probably.
Facebook actually looks better. Netflix dropped hard, but I don't know. It just depends which ones break that level.
He's asking, yeah, okay, so whichever breaks the level is
Yeah.
gonna get Nate.
Yeah, like if you look at it, that's the 50 EMA where Netflix is rejecting.
Hey guys,
I'm watching Facebook right here.
I'm watching the $82 put on Lemonade when the time comes. Let's see, what is AMD doing? Watch AMD pre-market highs 117.75.
If you want Facebook, this is like a suspect bounce.
AMD, I'm going to wait for 1 second until this thing deflates a little bit.
Yeah, I'm waiting for everything. Oh, SQ's going off.
Look at
Qs are
Tesla.
pumping.
Okay, then if you guys are in Snapchat, is anybody in Snapchat with me? We're holding okay. I'm really eyeballing AMD right now. The price action off this first 5-minute candle is strong. I also am. I like your Tesla setup here. I like that it's kind of trying to push here in pre-market or in at the bell here. I'm watching the 7:30 contract here on Tesla. Guys, it's a little too early to enter Lemonade, but I'd like to see it reject this $82 level. So, I am seeing more flow. PFE, Pfizer. Actually, if you take a look at Pfizer on the hourly, it has a nice clean flag off the 50-day EMA. Watch Pfizer today above 45.50. I'm gonna set an alert there.
Roku.
Oh no.
Yeah, Roku's bouncing.
Snow.
I don't know. I'm not getting just yet.
Snow
No, the 500
down.
HMA is right where he's rejected.
Yo, watch snow to the downside, I guess. Is this thing going lower? Didn't I try and short this yesterday? I did. And right now support for snow is all the way down at 262. AMD going for a pullback.
Wow, what a shitty open.
Yeah, right? and we sit.
Yeah, I'm
We
on
sit
on
and we
cash.
wait. mRNA sending. Yeah, nothing can send
Wow.
without me. Oh my god, AMD is dumping though. Not dumping, but AMD's pulling back. I don't feel like taking something that's supposed to go up down. You know what I mean? I mean, it is going for a support break right now after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, basically 6 days of solid rippage. So I think like a pullback to around 113, but I don't want to guess the bottom on a stock that just continues to rip. Is Roblox at its bottom? Roblox, if you guys listened to me yesterday, I was very specific in my thought process on Roblox. This one was...
Yo, BA.
I got it. Okay, cool, BA. What are you looking at contracts? Hold on a second. Oh, this one broke downtrend. You got a retest yesterday before the end of the... or at the beginning of the day. What are you looking at? 230...
You can go 230s.
Yeah, 230s.
Yeah, 230, 250.
So we did, in fact, on Roblox get a nice retest. We actually retested 79, but we're bouncing right here. So I wouldn't say it's a bottom, but more of a retest. Also, guys, pretty important thing to do here. Don't take support breaks on the 5-minute. I don't know if I've ever said that before, but I'm saying it now. Don't take support breaks on the 5-minute. That's how you get faked out. But you pull your hourly chart up. I will watch Roblox above 81.45, but Boeing.
Fucking that video.
I'm not taking Boeing. I don't like that. Not yet.
Yeah. Where's pushing?
Yeah, what's AMD?
Where's pushing?
Where? Yeah.
Watch PayPal. Guys, I'm gonna cut Snap here relatively soon. No PayPal. PayPal's making a rounded bottom. Oh my god, that thing is sending it. Okay, guys, lemonade. Lemonade.
Grab one.
I'm taking a sip. I'm about to tilt this one back. $75 put for August 6th. That's pretty far away. That is pretty far away, actually. Hold on a second. Damn, NVIDIA just absolutely took off. I imagine NVIDIA is going to see 710. If anybody swung NVIDIA, then just do you. Did dividends just come out on NVIDIA or something? I'm gonna get a 207.50 here. I'm just gonna buy two. I'm gonna buy two. I'm keeping. Oh, ooh! I know what you're talking about, Astro. Orvo or Corvo, excuse me. Wow, it's been a while since you brought that one up.
Bro, SQ. Oh my god.
Yeah.
I'm watching Roblox, guys. I am gonna go ahead, I think, and take Lemonade down. You guys don't have to do this as a risky entry. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the $75 strike.
Bro, Myrna. Where?
Oh, weird. We're in a video.
Yeah.
I'm in Lemonade short. $75 put. Lightly.
Guys, watch Tesla above 720.90.
If you look at NVAC's daily chart, it's very similar to the breakout that Tesla had at 700 through 230.
VIAC is ripping.
Guys, I'm gonna take a Tesla 730 call really light.
Yeah, I like that. That's good.
Yeah, Square.
No, wait, I'm gonna wait. Don't take it yet.
The video, nice pullback there.
Square.
Oh my god, yeah, Square's just sending it.
I got the 270s.
Yo, that's a. Are you guys just? I'm not gonna watch Square. That's a perfect entry right there. Square is at that 216. Oh yeah. Hold on a second. What's volume look like?
That's good.
Okay.
Oh, just clear that whole range from yesterday.
Oh, look. Sending it.
I'll do 270, 250, or.
It's gonna go to 270.
Yeah, I'm doing
260.
270, 250. I'm in that one. Lemonade's gonna require patience, so I may go out longer, but I just grabbed a few. So BT is ripping right now. If you guys, I don't know if you guys swung that one or what, but watch BT Bit Digital breaking downtrend here. Watch this one at I'd say $13 is a clean entry with volume there. So. Alright, come on, die, Lemonade. I'm about to kick some kid's lemonade stand over right now. Let's go. mRNA coming up on the high of day scanner right now. OBLG. Price spike there. Dollar General. Why is Dollar General pumping? Although Dollar General can pay. You guys remember playing Dollar General? Those of you OGs in the chat, you guys remember playing Dollar General with me? Long time ago.
I played it before, but
Oh
I
my
don't know
God.
if it was.
I used to hold swing trades for a week. A week. It was crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The
Dollar
video
General
came down a
shorts.
little bit. Are you still in the video, Garrett?
I have one, yeah.
Me too.
I'm red on it, obviously. But,
Square's gone. I think Square's a play today, guys.
yeah, Square's got
I feel like I already fucking missed it, so it's like.
No, you didn't miss it. You didn't miss it. If you go to
I mean, bro, it was at like 280 the other day, so.
Whee!
I have
Oh
room to run.
shit! Look at that pump right there, beautiful SQ. I still have Lemonade short, yes. I still have Nvidia long, yes. I am in Square. If you guys got in a Square with me, that's 35% on the 272.50 call. If you got the same fill, $222. Please take a look at Wendy's. I will do that.
I got 120% on Square right now.
Yeah, I'm ripping right now. If you guys got Square with us. Guys, I will be very happy to take profits away from today's price action. Already off the bell.
Yeah, see, electric trader. That's why I didn't end up taking those damn 730.
Visa is picking up some steam if anyone wants to play that.
Nvidia, I'm cutting it. I'm out on Nvidia.
Yeah.
I'll get back in later. Yeah, unless this one candle can climb back above the HMA, it just opened below it. That means it's likely going to reverse here. But the Square, I just don't want to bleed on Nvidia. That's already had a good run and then miss out on Square. I'd rather wait for a pullback on Square and add to. Because I am anticipating, and I also really believe that Lemonade could see some new lows here. I grabbed one put that was below $80, and I will add that. New day high, IWM. Guys, what did I say this morning? What did we talk about this morning? Literally on IWM, that it's happening. We had a market maker in our live this morning. He's following the analysis. Right now, watch IWM. That means that small caps could start to pop. Let's see, what do we see? AMC, stupid. But there are smaller stocks running. Ooh, SE. Yo, what the hell? I'm sorry. Whoa, whoa, look at SE, y'all. Holy hell. Georgie, we said we were going to watch it, and we didn't. All right, you guys should be about 60%.
Etsy is gassing. They came down a lot, but.
What do you have on IWM 54? I have no idea what you have. You have puts? Sorry, guys. If you guys trimmed or TP'd Square, we got a little pullback there. I'm going to use this next bounce here. There it is to trim a little bit of the fat. There we go. Come on, die, Lemonade. Can I tweet that?
Roku. Roku kind of looks like Square.
Yeah, let me tweet it.
Etsy. I might get an Etsy right now.
I am going to be treading extremely lightly right now. I don't like this price section.
Yeah, I'm not in yet.
You can barely hear me. Why can't you get?
I can hear you.
No.
I hear you. I hear you loud and clear.
On
Oh,
what date options are we guys buying? Mad Bulgarian. We right now are using weeklies. All right, Square. If you guys are in Square, this is a potential re-entry here. Okay, it's gone. Sorry.
Fuck, man, I'm so mad I missed Square.
That was a re-entry to 275. I think we go and hit 275 if we hold this new high. Damn, SE. All right, I am going to get in. Hold on, lemonade. Nope, that's not. That's Pimonade. Let's see here. $75. I'm adding August 13th. $75 put for lemonade here. I'm pushing for the 190 something fill. 195. We'll see if we get it. No. Alright, I'm gonna replace it. If my order sits more than 3 seconds, I usually cancel it. Mostly because I'm impatient, but with fills anyway.
Oh, BTBT is going down right now.
It's going down.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna TP a little bit of Square. Watch through this accumulation here. This could provide a nice push up. So, all right, lemonade down. Is anybody in lemonade with me? I just got filled at 178 on that contract. Lemonade. I think we go down here. I'm adding a little bit more. I'm going with adding a weekly. All right, I'm in lemonade next week and this week. Going for the first half of $78. Guys, the movement right now is ugly, so just keep that in mind as you're. It's okay to sit on cash and wait.
Y'all watch Facebook.
Oh my god. Wait, what's Snap doing? Nothing. Stupid.
Y'all watch Facebook. Volume picking up.
Yeah.
Holy fuck, my thing just turned off.
Netflix.
Watch it above 360. Facebook, I'm gonna take 3 of the 360 calls on the small account if it passes.
Say word.
Or
Alright, now I believe you.
Or
I used to do that to people in high school. I don't know why I did that just then. AMD going down, it looks like, past this 114 mark. Lemonade. Rocket. I just gotta learn on Rocket. Oh, Rocket ripping.
I'm in Facebook, y'all.
I'm not gonna touch it, but it's at the 200. Didn't Rocket get into solar or something like that?
Yeah, they did.
Hey, I'm not getting filled.
Etsy's making new highs right now.
I'm not sure what they're doing in solar.
I'm in Facebook, everyone.
Financing.
On the small account.
Oh my god, Facebook has such a nasty setup. Just 362.27. Oh my god, I'm getting in with you, dude.
I signaled in the small account also.
What contract are you in?
360s. I went in the money.
Ooh.
Oh no, I went 362.5. Fuck, I'm
Okay.
sorry.
No, that's
Ah.
okay. You just ruined everything for me. Oh no! I'm just kidding.
I had them both up, but I guess I fucking picked the right.
All right, we're green on lemonade. Anybody in lemonade with your boy? I actually swung Facebook calls, but I won't talk about that. If anybody's in Square, is anybody still in Square by chance? Just curious, because it just ripped.
I'm still in.
Okay, cool. All right. Yeah, I held on. I trimmed a little bit of fat. I missed my re-entry, but it's not my fault. It's Lemonade's fault. It's Facebook. XM. What's going on with XM? Oh, yo, wait, what? I didn't put Zoom. Although Zoom looks like it's about. That's really weird. I put XM. I typed Zoom. Watch Zoom. Call Drakes. Somebody. Okay, if you were in a live and you asked me about this company, I think I was gonna remind you about it here. So.
Holy Zoom.
Yeah, dude. Holy Zoom is right. Watch Zoom to 407.75 here, guys. If you guys are in Square, maybe TP here. I'm gonna TP. I'm out. I'm out of Square, guys. I'm out. I'm out.
This is that Monday's high right there on Square. Was it Monday or Tuesday?
Yes, service now could hit 600. Lots of wicks up there, brother. So be very careful. You're on thin ice right now. So Facebook is holding up rather well, though. The volume is starting to pick up. It just needs to push.
It's BSing.
Bill Gates,
Square.
oh Lord. Bill Gates just said, ooh, you guys want to hear a little drama? What is this article? Get out of here. If Bill Gates could channel his inner Cher and turn back time, get out of here. Who wrote this? Oh my god. Anyway, Bill Gates basically said, I had
fucking Facebook.
Yeah, it's holding up. Be careful. Just as long as it holds this level, it looks good. It's okay. He said I had several dinners with him, hoping that what he said about getting billions in philanthropy for global health through contracts that he had might emerge. When it looked like that wasn't a real thing, the relationship ended. Epstein was indicated and imprisoned. You guys already know about that shit. Anyway. An absolute a whole shit ton of GDX flow. Gold flow is coming in heavy right now. $35 strikes as gold absolutely plummets. Gold is dumping hard right now. I don't know if you guys are seeing that. Snee, what is that? NDA guapping? Let's go. I don't know what that is, but let's do it. Side eye Bill. I'm not necessarily aiming for the gap on Lemonade. Are you talking about the let's see, which gap are you referring to?
I jumped back in Square. I TP'd the 270s. I described it 280.
That damn thing ain't stopping.
Yeah, if you guys, that's over 100% play too. If you kept those, so nice job. Facebook.
I got 170% on Square.
Yeah, nice job, man. Anybody else get Square?
I just jumped back into the 280s, so.
Yeah, I'm in Facebook, but it's just.
I'm in with Justin too, guys. So.
Yeah, me too. I'm in Facebook as well, but.
HMA is right here at 356.60. Like I said, my stop loss is probably gonna be 358.50. Candle.
Yeah,
close.
me too. Cause
candle close. So. I hope that Lemonade doesn't go fill its gap to the upside first. That would really suck.
This is gonna be our first L of the week if it don't bounce.
Data Dog is ripping.
Damn it! I fucking saw that shit this morning and I ignored it. It's always the shit that I ignore. Or I glance at. Actually, Datadog, it could go here past 136.63 for a 140 call. Are you in that? Datadog.
No, I'm just watching
dude.
it.
Yeah.
I haven't gotten it yet.
I would recommend getting that one if now, because once it gets up to that entry, it's gonna pop. The buyers are gonna send that through. 140 calls are only 189 for August 6th. That's pretty expensive, actually. Yo, Square is absolutely ripping. FLGC, Floral Company. New
Damn, I missed so
buyout
many good
order.
plays. Zoom, where? Zoom is sending it, y'all.
I don't even want to look at it.
Look at that candle. Look how high it's $4 almost
Oh,
above
now it goes to
the
407.
Bollinger Band.
That was an entry right there. 403. That was the second entry on Zoom.
Yeah, yesterday's high.
Stop loss on Lemonade is above 80.50, guys. Candle open and close. Facebook is literally just sitting in let's go look at the Qs. The Qs hit that mark, the 368.85 one that we talked about yesterday. This is exactly where we talked about it needing to break. See that channel right here on the Qs? That's where we've got to break this. Otherwise, we could have a really bad red day. And I'll probably cut anything and everything that has to do with tech. So I don't know. I think we send it though. Look at that setup there. Yeah, guys, there's a lot moving right here. Uber's moving, but it seems like today is not the day to chase stuff, because as you can see on like a few of these stocks, they're pumping and then they're pulling back pretty hard. So if you're in weeklies, guys, if you're new, this is where my rule with small accounts is I do not play weeklies past today. Unless it's Friday towards the end of the day and it's extremely low risk, high reward. That's the exception. But other than that, I do not play weeklies. It's the boredom trades that bleed your account. Right? It's those boredom weekly trades that will bleed you. So alright, Facebook, if you don't bounce now, I will Zucker your bird so hard.
I should have took profit like DJ did. Damn, DJ got that fast.
DJ's in there.
Yeah. Oh, now we're sending it. Well, we're not sending it, but we're coming back. It needs to send it. 362.5 and get the fuck out.
I'm gonna hold it if it pops, but just for a little bit. But oh, I'm in an 80.5 put. Brian, I'm sorry, guys. The date. It's always hard. I have to look at the YouTube chat a little bit later. Once my second monitor comes in from LG, since it went black, I touched it. Okay, just stop making. Just stop working. Okay. What'd you say? Market make Facebook to 362.
Mm-hmm.
It's not me. It wasn't me. She got me on the counter. Wait, hold on. Watch snow. Microsoft too. Uh-oh. The Qs might pop, man.
They're dropping.
Wait, the Qs are? Oh, I'm watching the hour.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Yeah, fuck.
Yeah, Tesla got a H pattern.
I don't know. It may be best to cut Facebook and just re-enter. Are you down?
Yeah, I'm down 24% now.
Oof,
I might just cut it, yeah.
hold on. I mean, it's holding. So let's see what the Qs do. I don't know. That HMA is pretty vital for. I'm gonna go ahead and cut. I think. Yeah. so my 358.20. It's gonna go down here and hit 358.20.
I have 358.50.
Okay. I don't know if you want to take a you guys are welcome to cut it if you want. So take a look at Corsair. CRSR. Let's see here. Yeah, Corsair did did this yesterday. All right, watch the downtick on Facebook to 358.20. Unless.
Yeah, cut Roku. Facebook, y'all.
Yeah, go ahead.
Damn, took an L. Yeah, Roku in it right now. Broke Hive Day. Need the bids to hold above that 400 level.
Excuse me.
Yeah, I went too heavy too on Facebook. Oh.
Alright, Qs are bouncing. Hopefully we get that. I don't know if you guys saw that bounce, 358.30. You're in lemonade calls. That's fine, yeah. I'm watching for a rejection off this 9. Otherwise, I'm going to go ahead and cut my puts. Like I said, they were 50 cents, so I'm not super upset about it. I'm out till next week as well. I don't believe in the company itself, so I don't think that. I think if anything, it may retest and fill that gap at 85, but we'll see what happens here. That was a massive short that came in pre-market, so I'm curious to see what happens here. Yeah, SQ was a winner today for sure. I'm green because of SQ right now. Big C? Oh shit. Yo, watch Big C here. Ooh, this one has a really good setup.
It's 10 o'clock.
Actually, hold on a second. That might be a good swing trade. Oh, they have earnings today. There we go. Alright, watch Facebook here, guys. For a bounce, the Q's recovered. So watch Facebook right here, 358.26. Alright, I didn't cut mine. If you guys cut yours, it's fine. But if it breaks back above that 358.30 level, it may go and push. SCR making a new high here. There goes the Qs. Nice job, Snee. What the hell? You guys seen Microsoft? Fuel cell. It's definitely possible.
Hello.
Yeah, what's up, man? I'm watching Lemonade right now.
How are you guys?
Good. Just
Yeah.
watching this choppiness.
Did you see Rocco?
Yeah, I think some people caught Roku. Nice bet. It's retesting the 408. Yeah, that's the 200-day EMA. Yeah, when I say above the 9, I mean a candle open and close, so. SQ. Yep, SQ to 280, man. We caught that one. Sheet. Brian G, sorry about that on the Roblox. Hopefully you were able to get out of that one.
Garrett, keep your eyes on MVIS.
Okay.
They had good earnings yesterday, and they are up from yesterday, and they are just made almost high of day. They made high of day, not almost.
Yeah, you need to cut IWM. This one's following exactly what I said would happen this morning. This is and last night. So I'm pretty sure those puts were cut, but okay, good. All right. Well, what a choppy morning, y'all. If you guys were able to get out of here green, especially if you guys caught square. That was a phenomenal play. Those calls from original entry, the 270, 250 calls are up 177%.
Can you give me your opinion about Airbnb?
Sure. Airbnb. It looks pretty good, actually. Just need to clear 148.38. Volume is not that great though. The strength behind it's not great. If you can start picking up some momentum, you have a potential EMA crossover here and an obvious break in downtrend. So I think this one's ready to move, especially once it gets around the 150, 350 level. I think you're cleared to go to 162 potentially. And this is, of course, with positive earnings, or at least a run-up into earnings, which is on August 12th. Excuse me. Pinterest has a massive gap above it, y'all. So.
So we made a profit on the gap to the downside. We should make a profit to the upside as well.
On what, Pinterest? Yeah, right. Yeah, I guess you're right. Right now, I'm trying to do the same thing I did on Pinterest to Lemonade, but it's like it's all freaking halted or something right now.
Pinterest.
No, Lemonade. Yeah, I'm trying to short it. I'm expecting a rejection here. I'm expecting it to fall down to somewhere around 76 bucks, but that's only if we reject here. 81.50 is my stop loss. MVIS. I mean, they had good earnings and they've been in a downtrend since June, the beginning of June. So you had a break in downtrend actually back in July, and then rode that. I mean, it looks good past 13.35, so. Stocks moving higher earlier Thursday as investors look towards payroll data. Oh, did I miss Blink? No, I didn't. Is Zoom gonna give us a re-entry? I think it will. Let's watch for one. Netflix is running. Yeah, we didn't catch the. We caught Square. That was a good trade, but
Yeah, Disney as well.
guys,
Need volume.
everything. If you guys will look at Tesla with me here in my stream, you'll notice that we have only extended the pennant. This is extremely tight right now. I got to be honest with you guys too. This is not the day to be trying to take a day trade right now, unless the momentum is in your sector. If you're looking at something and it's sitting flat like this, there's so many new highs coming in right now. Like session highs, it's insane. Mara, BTB, MSTR, TCOM, Mara again. Jesus, what is Mara doing?
There is one stock. I see high volume SCR, score media and gaming.
Mara could go fill its gap to 29. What was that ticker?
SCR.
I don't like that one, Sushi. I don't like Fubo right now. Just be patient, guys. Patience pays. You took your bag for the day, Brian. Amazing. Good job. James Underwood, AMD rejected 114. Let's take a look at it. What do you guys want me to look at? So AMD really wants to try to hold. I'm trying to see if I maybe missed. No, I didn't. So, I mean, it technically is below resistance. And right now you're getting a retest of the 20-day EMA, which you rejected really quickly. So, to me, this already looks like, especially if you continue to reject, that you will see this AMD go back down, potentially with the retest of 113.75. Ken! God, dog, you good. Oh! Round of applause for Ked, man. You, I'm really proud, man. Every time I see you post anything like that, even if it just says boom.
I played
Pinterest.
Blink.
Huh?
I played the Blink while I was driving.
Oh my god. You're blinking and driving, dude. Not
Yeah,
saying.
I made money again.
Alright. Looks like Lemonade's gonna do me an ouch. AMD though is going down, guys.
Well, yeah, it's time, man. Not much up.
Ooh, Microsoft. Hold on a second. Hold on. Oh, but you're running on low volume. You have no volume. I can't take this play with no volume. $288.74.
Oh, the cub spoken.
Who?
The cub. Don't think while you are driving.
What the hell? I love some of these articles I read. It's so ridiculous. Wood burning tool market to look to witness an excellent long-term growth.
Your Microsoft man is pushing.
I know.
Yeah,
It has no
290 gold.
volume.
We saw it yesterday, man.
You took that?
Yeah.
You crazy.
Why?
I don't know. I'm gonna take it too. There's no volume though.
CRM is coming, getting calls. Let's see what's doing. Oh, yeah.
Okay, you guys are still in Facebook? Okay, cool stuff. I'm still in Lemonade, so we're all diamond handing shit this morning. I don't know if I'll let you take that one on Microsoft. I'm gonna wait. I'll let it get out of range.
But you are in the unlimited up or down?
Limit down. Are you gonna
Down.
short it for Poppy?
I'm thinking. But how long can go? How?
I'm just trying to take it to $76 or $76.50 to TBA. So.
It bounced off the 78 something.
Yeah, 78.58. Yeah, look at Facebook. Wow. Wow. Damn.
Twitter then should be running.
Watch
Oh, yeah.
Facebook past 360.50.
Twitter the same. Is running.
Twitter is.
Twitter's, yeah. Snap. There you go, Snap as well.
Is anybody in Snap, by the way? I don't think anybody's still. I cut that earlier. The
Square going for a new high.
I can't even do that. Thing's ripping. There's so many new highs being made right now. My scanner can't keep up.
That's why I see spy. That's why I see spy bots coming.
Right.
Square just needs to break this 280 level and hold, and I think we could see 300. Not today, but
Wrap Technologies, WRAP, a global leader in innovative public safety technology, said that Florida Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office, so if anybody gets arrested down there, maybe you guys can tell me how that goes, but they will be strategically deploying the 168 Bola Wrap remote restraint devices following a successful pilot program. And by that they mean they had to shoot somebody with it. It worked. Yeah.
damn Facebook, man, I cut that one too early.
Yeah, Facebook is just posting the volume just came out of nowhere.
Yeah, Facebook. If you guys re-entered right there. Snee, you're holding swing. Okay, cool.
Papa. No, nothing.
Alright. Yo, Lemonade, fuck yeah! Sorry. I mean, we're not like crazy green on that or anything, but...
But just the thing is that you like to short lemonade.
I think I do.
Yeah, I know.
I remember that day, Gary, you played it up and down, like, pretty good. Do you remember that?
And he went and he
Which day?
he went and he shot it.
I forget. It was on a 0 DT. I played it with you. I remember I got it up and down.
Yeah.
He shorted lemonade with what his name? Alan. Andrew left.
Oh, that's right.
He started him on his live too. We love you. We love you.
365 calls on Facebook here. I'm adding those if you guys are in. I just got filled at $1.12, $1.12. All right, what's the exit? Hold on tight, guys. Here we go. So the first target that I have right now is 362. 362. It's coming in about 60 plus cents. If you're in weeklies heavy, that's where you want to trim. Yeah, looking okay. Lemonade here got a rejection off that 20. Love it. Yes, we start. Yes, we're in. Oh, Daniel, I'm reading. You guys, if you're on YouTube, it's always, if you guys can't get my attention because I don't see this like right away. Obviously, it's delayed. You can DM me on the Discord if you're in there. So. All right, Facebook, Ripperoni. Let's give a fucking. Let's snipe Facebook. God, stupid stock. That thing should have ripped at the bell. What a choppy open too. All right, here we go. Rejection on Lemonade. Still seeing continuation here, but fighting with that low. Also, guys, if you're having a rough day, if you're red today, take a little step back. It doesn't have to be even for 5 minutes. You could just walk to your kitchen, have a drink of water, take a deep breath. We do this every day.
Go clean your kitchen. That's it.
That's not happening, but for me anyway, I'm not doing that. You guys are free to trim. Weeklies guys are always going to see the worst of that rejection here. So Like I said, 362 on Facebook. Where did we just wick to? We wicked to 20 cents to it. So if we get another pop here, let me look at the 1 minute. Oh, I didn't like that move on Facebook there. Guys, I don't like that at all. Might be okay to...
Always good idea to secure some profit.
Yeah, I was going to say it might be a good idea to go ahead and secure a little bit of profit, especially it could continue to go through the day, so leave runners. You have 2 contracts, so it is up to you. It's entirely up to you. You could trim one here and leave one and watch this price action to see if you get some solid continuation. That's usually what I'm going to do. So now that whole okay, so guys, Lemonade is at that $79 support. It could continue to consolidate here. Again, 81.15 is now my stop loss. So changing from the 80.15, or god damn it, 81.15. Excuse me. Yeah, 361 level. It's at 361.81.
BT moving. BT.
It's moving up.
Yep. This is gonna make a new high of day.
Hey, what's Zoom Info Technologies?
Shop as well. Shopify has got some volume and call as well.
Hey guys, I just grabbed a ZI, okay, Zoom Info, $65 call at 180. You might get filled at 190, and that's for August 20th. Zoom Info Technologies. Why am I taking this play? Anytime I see a stock, nobody asked me that, I'm just asking before somebody does. The 58 level, that $58-$60 level here, and the 9-day moving average, when you see a wick like this, buyers are in this zone heavy, and now they're going to start establishing a higher high. This one I'm looking to take to the wick at 63.50. I just got filled. I'm in Zoom Info. So if you guys get into this play, I always like it if you guys let me know, so that way I can just know.
What the ticker?
ZI.
TI. Yeah. The volume is high. Actually, this camera I was gonna do. Also, I don't know
go
whoever
ahead.
mentioned.
Sorry.
I'm keeping an eye on PayPal today as well.
I took profit took profit on my second square entry. Got 70% on that one.
Daniel, good job. All right, so just to review, guys, this morning, I can't even, like, that was no fault of Justin's. That he stuck to his risk management, and we can't trade through that kind of shit. You know what I mean? Like, it's too much for your weeklies. Now, yes, they would be up if we had held, but there are certain points where if it hadn't bounced, guys, we'd be royally fucked. You know what I mean? We have these bounce areas, and yes, this level right here. So see, and I threw my level out, which was 58.20. It hit 58.25. So 5 cents from my level. Lemonade going for low of day. Do it. Lemonade likes when you sing to it. Hold on 1 second. Let me make sure I don't have any weird ass support here. Nope, I don't like that. Okay, Facebook anyway. Melatonin gives me hella nightmares if I take too much. I have to take it extremely lightly, or I get like, what do they call them? Like waking nightmares or whatever. I'm awake, but I'm not.
Disney first red candle at 5 today. Disney.
I'm back on my weird ticker shit. I'm going ZI. Beautiful. Oh, ZI. Nice. I just added another one. Good job on Facebook today, guys. If
You
you
see
held...
ZI now, I see on the top volume ZY.
Nice.
I swear, look at it, look at ZY.
Oh yeah, look at it go. I'm gonna swing this ZI.
What was the expiration on that guy?
August 20th.
Oh. ZY high of day pushing.
$14 inbound. IWM 217.50 put sweep coming in. I'm going to use this opportunity to talk about something else. I know I'm just yabbing a lot, but one of the reasons why, you know, when we first started this, look at ZY. When we started this, you guys, like, we made it very, like, clear that one of our main goals was to make sure that, you know, we weren't, the confusion that a lot of us felt when we first started trading was because we followed people, or we saw, like, we didn't know where to start, so we followed certain people, and when they would give signals, we didn't know where anything was. We didn't, like, even if we ended up green, it was because we were dumb and we held, and if we ended up red, it was because we were dumb and we held. You know what I mean? So it was either, it was the luck of the draw, you know, like, you literally just, like, and then you felt like you're like, oh, I held, look at my diamond hands. Like, no, there's a difference between stupid hands and diamond hands, and, like, you know, like, one day, diamond hands, you know, for the most part, if you, that saying is I don't, you know, not encourage, you know, the diamond hand saying, I'm not, like, against it, but people use it in a way where it's like, they'll just hold a losing position and be like, I have diamond hands. And I'm like, no, you're just stuck in a losing position. You know what I mean? But if
Is
you,
it stupid?
yeah, is it stupid or is it smart? But if you guys
There
are,
you go.
if you're struggling, yeah, $14 right there. If you're struggling with if you're taking a call and you start to get anxiety, okay, so this is where being aware of yourself is really important when you're trading. If you start to get anxiety because you don't know what's going on, it's back to the drawing board. It's back to, if you took a play, totally fine, that's fine. But we need to know why we did it. And even if we do look at it later on. So, I'm done.
Sorry, Garrett. I mentioned Disney is just pushing.
Yeah, bro. I'm just watching it right now. just pulled it up.
Oh shit!
What do you think?
I have leap. 180 leap. So I don't care.
Gotcha.
179.
Are you taking it?
PayPal.
I'm good. I mean, I'm green, so I'm
Yeah,
like.
I honestly, no, I don't want to play an inside day. You got to be fast.
Yeah.
Aapl pushing.
Wait. I'm sorry, Georgie. Were you on live last night?
No, I was sleeping probably.
Oh my god, I gotta send this picture of live trading. So this kid, I don't know who he was, but he jumps in our live on YouTube last night, and he goes, he literally
Wow,
goes,
Disney. Shit.
he asked me if I could chart Disney, right? And I didn't hear him, I didn't look at it the first time, and then, like, he thought I was, like, you know, I was gonna get to it then, so he goes, please, Disney, please, Disney, I have a family. So I screenshotted. That's not only he said, please, I have a family reunion or something, and so I just screenshotted that. And I couldn't.
It's funny.
And then I just imagined, like,
Yeah, bro. To be honest, like, if you think about it in the wider picture in this. Like you're teaching the people trading, we're teaching all the stuff. You're changing life at the end of the day.
That's,
Yeah.
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 It's hard
So
to.
this is the main thing in the trading,
Well,
whatever it is.
when
But,
you
but,
get into oh, go ahead. Sorry.
but if you take a signal or you take someone's signal without knowing why you took it, when you're gonna get out and this stuff, this is not taking care of yourself or your family. This is just going in blind gambling.
Preach.
So that's why you are here to learn everything. So we all can help each other as well.
Exactly, and we build when everybody knows what they're doing, it becomes an environment where you get like with the, you know, I don't want to say like a bowling alley example, but like, you know, you get those bumpers, you know, so everybody becomes like a, hey, I think I might take this, and then they're like, hey, did you see this, or did you see that flow, or did you see this call, or hey, actually, now that you mention it, that thing has a lot of, you know, whatever, it has a big block trade. So you end up having an environment where it becomes like almost like a mini trading floor, except we're not trading against each other. And there's one thing that I have to agree with on Georgie, and like I don't take any personal like pride in it, because like at the end of the day, it's you guys who makes the effort. But trading will cause you to have to get your shit together. If your shit is not together in your life, and trust me on this one, it will absolutely affect your trading. And it forces you to look at yourself, because if you react badly, if somebody comes up to you, right, and you're doing something and you are not doing it correctly, and they just say, hey, it's better if you do it this way, you know, if you are not very good at hearing those kind of things, you're going to have a hard time trading. And so it's going to require you to change. It's going to require you to be open-minded. And so with that being said, you know, there's a lot of personal growth that can happen if you want to be successful. And I mean, it's taken a lot of my time. Being a teacher helps a lot too, which is why I tell people that even if you only know what a stock is, or you only know what stocks and stock options are, and you're not a good charter, but you know what they are, teach somebody that. Teach somebody that. If you only know a little bit of shit, teach somebody, because you will. It becomes concrete. Once you teach somebody else, and obviously don't teach them some shit you made up, hopefully, but please.
You know, wait. The more you share the ideas, the more you share the things you know. The more you share the idea, the more you share the things you know, the more even yourself you get better.
Yep.
So this is kind of like training yourself, getting more experience, and no matter how much you know, there is someone knows more than you.
Oh my God, yes, 100%. Someone always knows more than you, and I mean, I'll be honest with you guys. That shit motivates the hell out of me, because I want to be the best. You know what I mean? Guys, we're getting close. I think I'm gonna get out of lemonade here if we don't break 77.75. If we bounce here, then I'm gonna go ahead and cut this, because it's probably gonna make a rising wedge or a falling wedge, which is a reversal pattern. So yeah, I want to see a break here. But nice job, big step. Facebook.
Yeah. Anyway, keep an eye on DoorDash, and Tesla.
Goots is on my side. If anybody got ZI, let's go. Learn by teaching Uber. All right, let's see. Uber above 43.71. This one's in a little smaller downtrend.
You know, we spoke yesterday, me and Moba and Atlas, about Uber. Like Uber, like it's kind of the first time turned positive, so which is very good for them.
Mm-hmm.
if you hold like long term of Uber. So there you go, ZY above 14.
Are you saying ZY or ZI?
ZY.
Oh, I'm in ZI.
I know, but I saw ZY top of volume.
Oh, I got you. Okay. I'm not in that, but that's awesome. Guys, oh, I'm a little nervous about taking UPS. I don't want to piss it off, but damn, it looks good. I'm gonna cut a little bit of lemonade here, guys. It's not like I'm like green or anything crazy like that one, like crazy green or anything. I'm up on the farther out date. I'm up 26%, and on the close expiration, I keep fluctuating so hard. One more push on 1 minute. I see another leg up, but I'm willing to swing this one. If you look at the hourly, that's where I'm liking the action a lot. The 4 hour looks phenomenal. So. All right, UPS. Yeah, wait for oh my god. Okay. All right, calm down, UPS. Jesus. Oh, I just got my alerts just went off on UPS. You know what? August 13th, 187. Nope. August 20th.
ZY made the new high of day.
Are they running
ZY
together?
I don't know. I think maybe
Okay.
people trading ZY instead of ZI,
That happens. That happens.
like Tesla instead of Tesla.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I kind of want to get an August 20th 185 put for Uber.
What?
But I wanna get a retest of I want a 75-cent retest here.
Okay, there is next week Uber call 45.5 just came in.
Twitter moving for sure. I can check them out. Sabania, wow, that's beautiful. Sorry, I don't know where that came from.
Yeah.
WTF, mate.
There you go, Facebook high of day.
Wow, Facebook is about to go on a ripper, dude. Don't sleep on this, guys. This one could actually go 362.
Okay, ASTR, Astra Space. That is this one that goes with the space.
Yes. Watch Max R. Hold on, where's Max R? By the way, ouch. I don't know if you saw Max R last night.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It's just like when I bought Dole. Rolly, I've been watching UPS with you, dude. You're taking. Oh, you have the 191, 94 trigger. Are you talking about you're talking about downside. Okay. The gap fill hasn't started yet. On UPS, the gap fill resumes at 188.40. Oh, Corsair. Okay, sorry. Almost said
I set to watch DoorDash. Just made high of day.
Yes, gap fill to $29. $29.
You should be up on your lips.
August. Sorry.
No, nothing. I'm just speaking with myself.
I am gonna get an August 20th 187.50 put for Uber.
There you go, Airbnb 149.
What's the price target on Z? The moon! TBA, I'm just really watching price action. It just had, if I'm not mistaken, earnings, so the momentum could go even higher. Right now, I've got a couple of different alerts. Right now, I got an alert at 63.85. I've got an alert right here at 63 bucks. I'm gonna add one again. There's the retest for Uber. I'll enter weeklies at the actual break of one, like right before that 193. Anyone shorting AMD? No.
I did already. So, yesterday.
I'd rather drag my butt through glass shards. Not right now. Not doing that. If you guys are shorting it, that's tight. But you have to remember that. Well, for me anyway, I don't like shorting something that's just been ripping because the bounces are going to be a little bit more intense, and therefore your weekly premiums, and I'm only speaking on this, get ouchied. Z.
Not the one.
Yo,
Shorted the one.
dude, Z's about to go with the money. Let's go. Yeah. Yo, my nose hurts so bad right now. Ouch.
Yes.
Nobody related. I thought that was something that all humans get. Now I feel like an alien. I was asking. I was like, yo, do you ever get like dry weather and you get like a crack like inside of your nose? And it's just like the most painful thing in the world? No?
Atlas, can you block Garrett a little bit? The hell DDD did? Look, it wicked all the way to 29.50 and reversed to 28.30. Look
Oh
at
my-
DDD.
I see that. Wow. What in the hell? 65 bucks! Yay! We're at the money on Zoom, dude.
So we'll meet the again bumping EXPR.
All right, if you got 2 of those Z $65 contracts, I am trimming one, and I'm going to leave the other. If you guys got in the lemonade put with me this morning at any point, we're going to take a look at that right now. Okay. I just wanted to die, man. Is that too much to ask? So it may be best to cut the weeklies. The longer expiration is green. That's a lesson in how weeklies move with stupid price action. So you guys need to get in the habit of not bleeding yourself dry. Facebook just hit 362. So if you guys are in any of those calls, we talked about right now, the August 13th, or excuse me, yeah, you should be up a lot. It depends on which strike you got.
Also, I see Pen 65 bot. Why this week? Pen National.
Atlas, help me out, dude. I'm too old. What's a dub? I'm thinking. You got my generation considers that weed, so okay.
Apps.
I was like, I don't see any cannabis in front of me at all. I don't even know what it looks like. You know, it's a W.
You
Okay.
sure?
I don't.
You
What
sure?
what is it? Is it like where they can
Wait,
a
wait.
dark hole? I don't know.
Wait, are you sure?
You don't send me any more pictures, please.
Okay, Rocco, unusual wear 415 for this week. Rocco, unusual wear 415 for this week. Is he dumb or what? I don't know.
Wait,
Nah.
did you just
No
say
way,
family?
man.
Did you just say family?
Me?
No, 54 said family.
Got it. ZI
Yeah.
$55 call for 17 September.
What was it? $75 call?
Yeah, 17 of September, but 34K.
Whew. That's okay. It's gonna pull back here, guys. So if you trimmed one, we'll let it ride. It's got plenty of time behind it. TBA. Let's see here.
What's the Bitcoin doing?
See, okay, that's why I took a speculative position on UPS. You averaged down on Lemonade. Okay, well it's so cool because both of us are gonna be able to get out of this trade hopefully green. I cut my weeklies on Lemonade and I'm up on my long call. We're watching it as it sits on the 77. Usually when you make 4 candles and you don't make a move, you're gonna go see at least an uptick. This will be the third hit, so we'll see what happens there. You have 820. Okay.
I don't know, but Fastly volume today is high.
That's because they just screwed up.
Yeah, they screwed up, but some people buying the dip as well.
Lemonade is a crazy stock to trade. Lemonade has made me a lot of money. I like going and looking at my all-time chart for Nikola whenever I need a good laugh. Oh. Yeah, we played and you guys noticed, I don't know if you guys do notice this, but I almost stopped talking about these stocks. And then they go into some type of trading pattern that I can't deal with. And if you look at Lemonade for the last, going back to July, even in here is pretty much untradeable. What'd you say?
Oh, STK.
You know, I was looking at that this morning, Overstock, and I did not take it.
It's not flying, to be honest.
Yeah, I want high volume today.
Man, Moderna, why this bot's coming?
Disney calls coming in 185. Disney calls coming in 175 for this Friday. Oh shit, it just ripped. It just ripped all day.
I told you, bro, since
I know
morning.
I know. I forgot.
Heck, he's in, I think, Heck.
Heck. Would you believe me if I said that I may or may not still have 272.50 calls? Like
on
maybe,
Square?
Yeah. I have one left right now.
That's dope. I freaking cut all mine. I still got the 300s for August 20th. Those came back to life.
Hey, here's a. Oh, go ahead.
No, I said I have Disney next year, 180.
One next year?
Next year.
Jesus Christ.
Nothing. What?
If
If they're gonna do good, I will exercise, that's it.
Yeah.
You always say, I like to exercise. Yes. Chewy, some calls coming for Chewy. Modern after the downside if you won't get it. Just wait for a bit. Bob. RMA.
Woo-hoo-hoo! You guys ready to get some fucking flow in the chat? Alright, we're good. We're set up. I'm about to hop off here in just a minute. And we should be, at the end of the day, we should have everything should be in the chat. So I'm really, really excited for everybody in here. We're huge option sweeps. Yo, I couldn't sleep. I thought you said you couldn't sleep all day today. I was like, that's because it's the day. Your triceps? Bro, what kind of workouts are you doing? How old are you? You're 14? Hot damn, son. Are you trying to get jacked?
Square 282.
Bruh.
Well done, man. You get in?
I'm up 300% on that runner. What the fuck?
Wow.
You know, guys, if you want, somebody DM me and they ask me like, what?
Nah, my dog just was trying to jump up on the couch and he was like struggling, so I had to like push him up.
Is he big?
He's a little French bulldog.
Oh, that's hilarious. I was slipping in and out of meditation. That's the Twilight Zone. I've been there. You know, that is probably the most frustrating thing is when I'm trying to go to sleep and it's like you're just tickling the sleep and you just can't get there. I know exactly what you mean though. Heck, I'm about to DM you this, look at that. I just DM'd you the screenshot of that square call.
Oh, I'm gonna check it out. Hold on. What's that, a rhyme? Damn, bro.
What the fuck, bro? Square pays so gnarly, dude.
Yeah,
Yeah, it
Square
does.
very good, man. Wow.
I got like, well,
Look at
200%.
Look at GameStop. Got it.
No.
GameStop?
Yeah, it's not the most exciting yet, but it does have it's at a downtrend right now as we speak. If it pops here 158, 160, I would say is a good mark for GameStop. You talking about Facebook? Yeah, 362. If you guys got out on Facebook at 362, reversed right there. Is that a bird? Is that a
No,
parrot?
that's my dog playing with his little squeaky toy. Oh, I'll mute myself.
Robert Alonzo says snort coconut oil. It will help your nose. No, sir.
Square 300 call for next week. Just came in.
No, I'm just kidding. He said put it in there. ZY has easily been my play of the year. Eric, that's awesome. Cool. Are you in that at like $9? That's amazing, dude. I'm glad I didn't even catch that. Bruh, I'm about to go screenshot. I gotta go screenshot Square again because now,
Just post it in again.
Alright, I'll post it again. I have a Twitter roll, YOLO that's down there too. Where is it? Where are you, Square? ZY? Anybody else in ZY? And is AMC pushing? Make sure you're zooming out and looking at that on a higher time frame, okay? Don't get caught up.
Yeah, remember, it's meme stock. Don't YOLO.
Yeah, they want you to buy it. How about that? Yeah. Think about that.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow, this runner on Square. What the fuck, bro? These market makers don't even care. Alright, I don't usually post in here, but I'll post today.
You see, every day you've got a stock that it has to run. Every single day, no matter how it is. Like yesterday was Zoom, today is Square.
Yo, I thought GJ put that he had a $0 gain. I was like, what? Grimmy, let's go! Small account. Sorry. I just looked at a free chat and Ispraf said, "Oh no, Garrett just dropped us. Some people dropped the mic. Garrett dropped the camera."
Bro, those Square 270 calls were I got them for $200 this morning. They're at $1,400 right now.
Bravo.
I mean, I took profit before it got there, but
Yeah,
I mean,
well,
it's still like,
That's still a profit,
yeah,
man.
I
yeah,
have.
no, it's still a real good profit.
Where's my sound? I have a sound on TikTok that I use for that one. Where is it at?
Are you the TikTok guy?
No, it's this guy's like, bruh, that's a, and he just like throws up.
Look, John, AMD got that green candle push. It still didn't break that down a trend, and the volume is not high as it should be. So just keep watching.
Oh my god, sorry.
Holy shit. Big Stubber, did you get in what his name? It's in PayPal.
Yo, what the fuck, Square? Guys, watch Square on the 1 minute, dude. That's where the action is happening.
Watch PayPal, man. That as well.
Watch Facebook too. Actually Facebook might be good for a potential re-entry right here, guys. Let's watch this one as it climbs above the 9. Watch 361, 90, or really 362. Watch that 362 push. Snap is at 77. Time for some puts. Higher car, EV Go, and Blink move up.
Do you see the news about EV that Biden wants the 50% of the cars to be EV by 2030?
Yeah.
And the Blink had the news EV charging station deployed in Arizona.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see what we got today. It doesn't mean the stock that has to run it today.
How far would
Airbnb? Yeah, I'm watching Airbnb mobile.
this motherfucker don't miss? This motherfucker don't miss. No, he's fucking good. That motherfucker don't miss.
What happened?
Nothing. I'm just looking at sounds right now for.
I thought someone in front of you.
This motherfucker don't miss.
I didn't do that stuff. Damn, what is that?
Wow, get it. SQ, 17th of September, 300, 2.3 million.
It's got to, dude. Square is a ripper, dude. Look at the daily. Look at the daily. Right now, daily. Holy dog shit. The daily setup right now on Square is at all-time highs. All-time highs have been surpassed, and we are now at what looks to be. We are settled back on top of that support. Let's go to the 1 minute, guys. This is going to be pivotal. Look at how the price action fluctuates here. So, do we make a higher high? This is a potential re-entry, but you're entering at all-time highs, so we either freaking rip or we run.
I see like many calls coming for OMF 58.
OMF?
Yeah.
Speaking of calls, I'm like so amped up right now. I want to get that shit up for you guys.
They got down and they are picking up.
Yo, DLTR, get out of here. Dollar Tree?
You saw the dog, the beat earning and they got up?
Yeah, then they ripped, Datadog 136? Yeah. Hopefully this will spur movement into the rest of the year, but I'm curious if we pull back. But don't forget about these earnings, guys. Don't forget about these at all. 115 calls coming out on AMD. Alright, so on Facebook, guys, it's at support, so we either get a bounce here or this thing pulls back. Corsair right now, the gap would have been filled. Yeah, man, just they do hold that down though. I want you to know that is held down. Also, those of you who trade crypto, we do have crypto bots now that are good for swing trades and all sorts of stuff. So that's it.
It's just it just need kind of catalyst to move it up.
What does?
For Crosshair.
Agreed. I think that I think it's a good long term investment. I really do. I'm in Corsair. I told you guys that, and I bought puts, and guess what? I took profit on those puts, and guess where I put that equity? Right back into Corsair. And right now it's making a nice rounded bottom. Rounded bottoms happen when accumulation occurs. Usually when bottom buyers, right? They keep it down, but they also keep accumulating until finally you get that catalyst. And I would say anywhere above one. Fuck! I'm looking at CRISPR. I'm an idiot. I hate dyslexia sometimes, bro. This shit drives me nuts.
CRISPR, do you got one call today?
Well, anyway, if you're in CRISPR, this one looks good to 136. So
yeah, $155 call for September 17th.
I'm sorry, guys. I am who I am.
Hood, I see like a lot of calls for Hood.
Why am I not? Oh my God, Corsair.
Don't mind him, it's okay, sometimes happen. He's just overwhelmed.
Why, dude? CRSR. Jesus, dude. Ugh. Okay. Anyway, this one it has that small gap, but just let it hold above 28.55.
Okay, what? SQ sweep trade. Yeah, that's why I said it. The call sweep for
Yeah.
SQ.
I think SQ might pull back here to 282.65, but this one is on watch, guys. I think it could end up being a good play. Facebook is going down here, but I'm not watching that one. All right, it is 11 o'clock, guys. I said I would be off by 10, so I have to get off now because the only reason I'm getting off right now is because I really, really want to get these bots set up for you guys. I think you guys are going to love it. I think for those of you who trade crypto, options, stocks, and also these bots are... you can use them on multiple. We have analyst upgrades, important news, scalping ideas, auto posting, latest insider trading, analyst upgrades, large equity prints, large option sweeps, crypto breakouts, swing trade ideas. We have the query bot. So you have to type in something in order to get the. You have unusual flow, social media chatter, SR levels. Dark pool prints, crypto scanner, option flow summary, and swing trade ideas. So, it's a lot. So
If I ask the bots how are you, will they answer I'm fine?
What?
If I ask the bot how are you, will the bot answer I'm fine?
It will say buy puts, short lemonade. Right.
Oh, look, that's the bot mobile. Look, Airbnb is holding the 8 EMA all the day at the 5. Just keep watching. It just bounced there now.
All right. Watch lemonade here above 79.25. All right. SQ guys, read into SQ on. Let's go. Hold on.
Yeah. I think Apple is pushing.
Oh, Microsoft. There's the volume. There's the kind of declining volume actually. Now that I look at it, hold on one second. Fuck! Don't you leave on low. Don't melt up. That'd be so dumb. Hold on. Square's volume is rising, but this is gonna be tough.
I think you need like a little bit pullback. What do you think?
What'd you say on SQ?
Don't hate me, guys, but yeah, it's just like little bit of pullback to like almost 282 will be fine.
Yeah, SQ could use a pullback. but it also could go hit 285 very easily right now.
Yeah, it's going now.
And I am now up $1,000 on one call on SQ 270 250 call. So remind me to go all in on SQ next time. All right, bot time. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Oh, tired. All right, I'll see you guys in just a little. Yeah, you guys do with that what you will. Watch for updates. Also, keeping. I had an idea. Atlas ran it. Atlas Junior ran it by me. I'm thinking of, and it's gonna take me a minute because I'm not like a Discord guru. I'm not very good at the back end. I mean, I say that and I literally built the damn thing, but it's kind of hard for me to like navigate certain things. But I will be attempting to make it so that we can alert you by role. So that way you can select if you're preferably a swing trader, you just want to be able to get those swing trade alerts. There may be a tag specifically for that. And then if people are just here for pennies, there may be a tag just for that. So that way it's less noisy. But I'm also looking, it's a lot of work. So I have to look at it whether that's even feasible or if there's a different way I can do that. So that,
SQ got it.
is it going?
Sorry. SQ.
Yeah, I'm not cutting my runner. The volume is rising. Oh God!
Whoa, what the?
Bruh!
Chill.
What the fuck was even that?
Aapl? Wait, Aapl News. Aapl News.
That was it, dude. That had to have been the rest of Zoom. The rest of fucking Square, man. What the hell? Yo, why do I have a snow call from yesterday that's green? Oh, because snow is bouncing. I would take it. Ooh. I might take a snow 280 call for next week. Hold on. Those are expensive. Fuck that. I'll play something else. Yo, that was a ridiculous wick on Square.
Yeah, that's big buy.
You know, and this goes okay. Let's reflect on today and let's use this as a lesson. And I'm out. Also, I'm gonna get back into Square weeklies. This is really risky, so don't do it. If you are light on capital, 287.50. I also just got an alert on Race. Guys, Race has been getting a lot of social media. That's Ferrari. You also have to keep in mind that Ferrari is now on Fortnite, and as stupid as that sounds, it actually affects the price of a stock. So I don't know if anybody plays Ferrari, but there's that. I just grabbed a Square 287.50 lightly. I just grabbed one. Are we gonna see Square 300 by the end of next week?
Maybe the end of the week.
Maybe today. Fuck. Wait, that's right.
Like yesterday, like we're speaking with Nick, like say I think Zoom 400 by end of week. Then Zoom ended the same day 400.
Oh, nice, son. Nice. I know my Square runner. I just added to my Square runner. That's one of the reasons why. But one Square. Let me go see. What was my fill on Square this morning for one of those? Oh God, I'd be so up if I hadn't cut. Trimming is still good though. Risk management. Square. I got filled at Square at 249. 249 was my fill on Square. And at the moment, we're sitting at 1191.
Right?
Yeah.
And Neo on the top of the volume.
No way. Oh, look at that. What's the daily look like? Okay. Watch this one above 69.80.
You got earning next week, anyway. as well.
INTC calls are green.
I just want to mention a thing. I spoke earlier about ASTR, Astra.
Mm-hmm.
The stock jump because they are rocket builder and they having first launch by end of August. So keep an eye on that stock.
Got you.
ASTR.
All right. WWW is also pushing. Hive day scanner is going absolutely nuts right now. It's been going nuts all day. STIM is making new highs. APTS is making new highs consistently. UPST, Genome, Lyft.
The
Wow.
Those Uber calls, you still have them? Uber call
Yeah.
from yesterday.
Yeah.
45. Uber at
yeah.
44 now.
Ah. Whoa. Apple plans to scan U.S. iPhones for child abuse imagery. Wow, crazy. Good. Deutsche Bank on track to cut office space need by 25%. Good. Hood, $8, $20, $80 call. What is Hood doing today? I didn't even look. I don't even care. But I do
No,
care.
you a lot of calls, man. If you don't care, I care, man.
Oh, it's 64. I do care, but I don't, my morals. I want to fight Vlad first. You know what? Let me.
Just put the moral in the freezer.
Keep it good.
Yeah.
Let me fist fight Vlad, and then I'll let it ride. All right, guys, let's get these bots up and running. Stay tuned. Keep your eyes peeled on this right above live trading chat, and we'll have this up and running here relatively soon. YouTubers, thank you guys for joining us. We will see you guys today. I might pop back on for Power Hour, but probably see you after hours. Again, if you guys are looking to get in the Discord, go to the website Simple Stacks Investments. Free trial in there. So, okay. James, my take on AMD for the rest of the day. More than likely going to, I don't know, you're so far from support, anywhere below 113 on AMD, and I do believe that you're going to see back 110, somewhere in that range. So if anything, I would suspect a small bounce or chop at 113 and maybe accumulate bull flag. You might even get like a head and shoulders there. But I do believe that it's time for it to pull back. So, but I could be wrong. Again, who knows? So, SQ. Yeah, I still have that SQ call. If you guys are in SQ with me, we're at 287 now. That wick has been filled. Good fill there. Also, I'm like about to throw up because I've had calls flipped like this, but SQ pays so good, and I would never play it. I don't know why I don't. All right, well, there's your money on SQ. We're 288. Beautiful.
If anyone is in Airbnb, yeah, just made Hive Day as well.
Beautiful. Beautiful. What does Lemonade do?
And there goes paper recovering as well.
Lemonade has no volume. Not even technical analysis works on no volume. You love my Thank you, man. Yeah, once you get a little bit better and you know how to manage your own positions, let me say this about this, guys. Roll these plays and ask Heck Diesel, ask all of our OGs. If you're new and you're new to trading, roll these plays take some knowledge. You need to know what you're doing, so that way they pay, and at the end of the day, you should be able to do that anyway. So it does provide that opportunity to hedge and manage yourself. But that's the beautiful thing about going long. Is, you know, at the end of the day, you can capitalize up and downside on your way to the top. So, but the man is.
Airbnb going banana, yeah?
Wait, who's going bananas? You got more bananas out here, dude?
Airbnb.
Oh God, didn't wait? Did it clear that level I talked about this morning? Oh, it's almost there. It's on its way. Nice, hell yeah! Take a ooh. All right, I'm gonna grab a 150 on Airbnb because I think that housing, we're seeing builder and stuff like that move. I'll grab a 150 for $100 for the end of the day.
Thank you, Mobo.
Aw. Mobo doesn't love me anymore. Yuck. I'm just kidding. All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit.
I have some shares, yeah. I do have with ASTR.